Unstructured data. As we discussed earlier, data is the value that describes the characteristics of an object. If those characteristics are not identified by specific metadata, then data is considered to be unstructured. Bob Smith is an employee of Acme Corporation, where he works as an engineer. He joined the company in August 1999 and has performed quite well and reports to Alan Jones. The above text gives us some information about an employee, which has no specific structure and metadata for us to know the intent of these statements. We don't even know the purpose of the above statement, but can only guess by reading it first. We also don't know if by reading the next statement, it will still be describing Bob, or another employee, or even a completely different subject. This is an example of unstructured data. Data that exists in a world is unstructured naturally. It is sound, vision, smell, taste, and touch that would help us get information about objects in our world. This information gets more structured, however, as we use language symbols and numbers to describe this information that can be communicated. Therefore, data is always represented somewhere between fully unstructured to fully structured. The goal of data management is to move data from unstructured to structured by providing more meaningful characteristics of objects in pursuit of robust communication about the object. The rule of thumb is that the more information about objects we deal with, the more structure we require to manage that object. Therefore, emails, for example, combine a lot of unstructured data within their bodies, and even subjects, but they still have some metadata that has made it easier to manage them, such as date, from, to, subject, and so on. We can search our emails, sort them, and find the one we need, most of the time, that is, unless we are looking for information in the content or the body of the email. Imagine having to find specific textual information in a specific email by looking through thousands of them on a server. Unstructured does not mean less valuable, but it means much more difficult to use and manage. Again, where your information should be in the data structure spectrum depends on your business intent.